Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a GitHub account with Codespaces access and Vscode signed into GitHub. Once those are ready, open the repo in GitHub and choose Code, then Open with Codespaces. Create a new Codespace. Make sure to pick the right branch and machine type. While it provisions, notice dev container, JSON, or dev container folder. This defines your environment. If none exists, Codespaces will infer settings. Later, you'll customize dependencies and Vscode settings to match project needs. Once the Codespace boots, open the dev container folder to configure the environment. You'll add or modify dev container, JSON to install extensions, expose ports, and run post, create command for build or dependency installs. If you need custom toolchains, supply a Docker file or reference a pre-built image. That ensures reproducible builds. Make sure workspace folder is set and forwarded ports are enabled so web servers open automatically. Save changes and rebuild the container to apply updates. To finish, rebuild the codespace so all dev container changes take effect and run your app to confirm ports and services work. Validate using the integrated terminal, port preview, and extensions panel. Ensure expected tools are available. If something fails, inspect the dev container build logs in the output channel and rerun the rebuild. That reveals missing packages or permission errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if dependencies repeatedly fail, clear the codespace and recreate from the updated dev container. JSON to force a clean image rebuild and resolve lingering inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.